What's up, everybody? This is Evil Crossover back with another review, and this is for the ORNARTO iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Now, they were kind enough to send this over for review, and look what comes inside this box. We have two screen protectors. We have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which doesn't come with the screen protectors in the case. We have some nice little thank you cards from them. We also do have the silicone case. Now, this is a hard silicone case, definitely durable, nice cutouts for your camera, nice cutout on the bottom for your charging. And then, who doesn't like some cat stickers that go on top of the case there? And then also the installation package for the screen protectors. So not only for a great deal on a case, you also get two screen protectors with the installation instructions. So that's definitely a great buy if you're looking to get a new case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, but also if you have a newer iPhone 16 and lower. So definitely go get yourself an Ornato iPhone 15 Pro Max case, and I'll catch you on the next review.